What's up, creators? Cool here, your AI mentor from authorityvideos.com, the place where creativity meets cash flow. If you've been on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok lately, you've probably seen Rabbit's Quest videos popping off. They're simple, fun, and addictive. But here's the kicker. Most of them are just images or basic animations. What if I told you we're about to level up with full-on cinematic storytelling? Stick around because I'm going to show you how to make Rabbit's Quest videos that not only blow up but bring in revenue through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Let's go. Here's the thing, Rabbit's Quest is one of those trending niches that's still low in competition but skyrocketing in popularity across social platforms. For example, the YouTube channel Rabbit's Quest gained over 458,000 subscribers with just 23 videos. Using tools like ChatGPT and Leonardo AI, you can create eye-popping, shareable videos that go beyond the norm. We're talking immersive 3-scene stories packed with motion and narration that make viewers stop scrolling and start engaging. Ready to ride the wave and cash in on it? Let's break it down step by step. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through creating a Rabbit's Quest video that stands out, builds your audience, and opens up income streams. Here's what we'll cover: generating unique story-driven ideas with ChatGPT, crafting stunning visuals with Leonardo AI, adding cinematic motion using Kling AI, creating engaging voiceovers with ElevenLabs, polishing everything to perfection with Veed. And of course, I've got a free cheat sheet in the description to walk you through every step. So buckle up, let's create some next level content and turn your creativity into cash flow. Let's do this. Step 1, idea generation with ChatGPT. All right, creators, this is where the magic begins. Idea generation. Open up ChatGPT and get ready to let your creativity soar. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I've put together a detailed, ready-to-use Rabbit Quest prompt to make this process smooth, exciting, and super effective. You'll be creating like a pro in no time. To make things even simpler, you can grab the full prompt from the link in the description. Here's how to use it. Open ChatGPT and start a new conversation. Copy the prompt below or grab it from the link in the description. Paste it directly into ChatGPT and let the AI generate vibrant cinematic scene ideas for your video, including captions and narrations for each image that we'll use in later steps. And here's what ChatGPT came up with. Pro tip: this isn't just about visuals, it's your ultimate all-in-one prompt, perfectly designed to elevate your Rabbit Quest videos. What sets you apart? We're taking it to the next level with animations and narration, turning your content into a storytelling masterpiece. Step 2, image creation with Leonardo AI. Now it's time to bring your story to life visually. Head to Leonardo AI using the link below and grab your free tokens. Here's the setup. Choose the Leonardo Phoenix model for rich, detailed visuals. Set the style to dynamic and the contrast to high for that scroll-stopping look. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Paste your story prompt, hit generate, and boom, your scenes come to life in seconds. Imagine your rabbit hero leaping into action or a glowing forest filled with magic. This is where you make your videos pop like a pro. Step 3, animation with Kling AI. Here's the twist that makes your Rabbit's Quest content unbeatable: animation. Use Kling AI to add motion to your visuals. The rabbit's daring leap, the hedgehog's adorable stumble. It's all about creating movement that captivates your audience. Animation turns your static images into cinematic moments. It's like Spielberg meets AI. Let's go. You're creating something unforgettable. Step 4, voiceover with ElevenLabs. What's a story without a voice? To truly engage your audience, head over to ElevenLabs using the link in the description. Copy your narration script from ChatGPT, choose a warm, engaging voice, and fine-tune it for that professional touch. Watch as your characters come to life, not just seen, but felt. Trust me, this is the secret sauce to making your Rabbit's Quest truly next level. Step 5, editing with Veed. Finally, polish your masterpiece in Veed, import your clips, adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, and add transitions like blade fade to keep the pacing smooth. Sprinkle in text overlays like Scene 1, The Rescue, and background music for added impact. Once it's all tied together, chick on done, then export your video, and boom, you're ready to upload. Your rabbit's quest is now a scroll stopper.
Out of the forest, a brave rabbit sees a tiny hedgehog in trouble. Its courage sparks action. Safe at last, they explore the magical forest together, their bond growing stronger with every step. When danger returns, the rabbit stands fearless. Friendship triumphs over fear once more.
That's how you do it, folks. Here's why this is a game changer. You're not just creating content, you're building a brand. Rabbit's Quest videos are highly shareable, emotionally engaging, and perfect for monetization through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. By adding motion and narration, you'll stand out in a niche that's still low in competition but growing fast. This is how you turn creativity into cash flow, and that's it. You've just created a Rabbit's Quest video that's not only ready to go viral, but also ready to earn. If you loved this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more ways to crush it with AI-powered content. Download the free cheat sheet below and let me know in the comments what ideas or stories you're excited to bring to life. I can't wait to hear from you. Next time, we'll dive into even more game-changing strategies to elevate your content and grow your success. Until then, keep creating, keep earning, and stay tuned for what's next.